This file extension has two primary types. This is either a Farming Simulator mod archive or a GridGain grid archive. If it's the game, do not unzip it. Put it in the mods folder. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the folder. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single GAR file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. A GAR file is associated with GridGain and Farming Simulator. While the exact usage can vary, it often contains game-related data such as level designs, character models, textures, or configuration settings. These files are essential for the game to function correctly, providing the necessary assets and parameters for gameplay. The internal structure of a GAR file is specific to GridGain and Farming Simulator. It may use a proprietary format or a standard archive format with custom headers and compression methods. Reverse engineering or using tools designed for these specific games is typically required to extract or modify the contents. To maintain file fidelity, use Farming Simulator developed by Giant Software to open GAR. Windows needs confirmation from specialized software for safe data access. Windows shows minimal information for compressed formats, so proper handling relies on extraction software. To solve this stubborn file problem, right-click the GAR file and choose Open With. If Farming Simulator is installed, test that. If not, choose another application. The solution lies in finding the right software. If the GAR file is still giving you trouble, relax. Since this GAR is a niche format, we can't assume a simple fix. Don't worry, we'll quickly check these key details to find where the error lies. First, use Game Client. Open the file using Farming Simulator, the required application for the game archive. Next, check mod location. If a mod, ensure the .gar file is placed in the correct mods folder for the game. Finally, check for corruption. If the file won't load, try re-downloading it or ask the sender for a fresh copy. If your apps can't interpret the GAR file, it is likely a structural incompatibility caused by different programs using the same label. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Final step, use our one-click GAR fix, the FileMagick Universal tool. It gets the job done instantly. Find it at filemagick.com. Stay persistent as files can be tricky, but solvable. Like, subscribe and fix those files, it's that simple.